How to reset Windows 10 from command prompt. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing how to reset Windows 10 from command prompt. So now let's get started. First of all, to reset your PC, click on the start button and type command prompt. From the search results, right click on command prompt and select run as an administrator. This will open the command prompt. Now type systemreset.exe and press enter. Now you will see the system reset feature appear. Keep in mind that choosing the option to keep your files will also remove your apps. When you select this option, you will see a list of apps that will be uninstalled from your PC. Continuing with this process, we will reset your PC to factory settings. Continuing with this process, we'll reset your PC to factory settings. Now, another way to open the command prompt is by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Windows PowerShell. Make sure to choose the administrator version for more access. You can then type systemreset.exe there as well. As you can see, it's easy to reset Windows 10 using either the command prompt or Windows PowerShell. I hope you found this video helpful. So this is how to reset Windows 10 from command prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.